Hey there, language lovers! Welcome to my channel, Let's Learn in English, your go-to channel for mastering English that will spice up your life and impress everyone. Let's get started!
Second grade science.
Describe the life cycles of birds, insects, and frogs. Today, we are going to learn about the life cycles of birds, insects, and frogs. Can anyone tell me what a life cycle is?
Is it how an animal is born, grows, and changes?
Yes, exactly. A life cycle shows how an animal is born, grows, reproduces, and eventually dies. Let's start with birds. Birds lay eggs, and the eggs hatch into chicks.
So, the first stage is an egg?
Correct. After the egg, the chick grows into an adult bird. Now, let's talk about insects. Many insects start as eggs too.
What happens after the egg for insects?
Insects often go through stages like larvae and pupae before becoming adults. Lastly, let's look at frogs. Frogs also start as eggs, but they turn into tadpoles before becoming adult frogs.
So, each animal has different stages in its life cycle?
Yes, each type of animal has its unique life cycle with specific stages.
Keywords and phrases.
1. Life cycle. The life cycle of a frog starts with an egg. 2. Bird. The bird is flying in the sky. 3. Insect. The insect has 6 legs. 4. Frog. The frog is green and small. 5. Egg. The egg will hatch soon. 6. Hatch. The chicks hatch from the eggs. 7. Chick. The chick is very cute. 8. Adult bird. The adult bird feeds its chicks. 9. Larva. The larva eats leaves. 10. Pupae. The insect is in the pupae stage. 11. Tadpole. The tadpole swims in the water. 12. Reproduce. Animals reproduce to have babies. 13. Grow. The plant will grow taller. 14. Die. The plant will die without water. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and join our journey to speak English like a native. Let's make learning science in English easy and fun.